The hot summer temperatures bringing you down? Boy, do I have something to cool you off. Here it is, the Mellif 18-inch drum fan. This guy is pretty sweet. Why, you may ask? Because this guy runs on DeWalt batteries. And you can also run Mellif batteries, and you can also plug this in. So let's get a good hard look at this guy. As you can see, we have a metal box frame, which I'm really happy about that. It's nice and strong and durable. And if you roll it over here, you can see this is where we would plug it in. It comes with an 18-volt power supply. So that way you have multiple options. If all your batteries die, you can always plug this into any of your portable jump packs, or you can just plug it into a regular outlet. It just has this little rubber cover down here. And I really like how the power cord's actually removable on this. So I like that I have the option where I can just keep it 100% cordless and I don't have the cord dangling down. And my favorite part is I can just plug in a 4 amp hour DeWalt battery and this guy's ready to go. The controls on this fan are really straightforward, just like your normal box fan. You have the rotary knob here, and then it also has your indicator power levels and how far the fan is turned on. So let's go ahead and hear it in action. So it's spinning so fast that my camera's syncing up to it, so it actually looks like it's going really slow. So I figured to hear the fan would really help justify how powerful this little guy is. So on a battery of 4 amps, depending on your battery health, I was able to run this guy on high for 3 hours straight. So that was pretty impressive on a battery alone. And then I was super impressed that I was able to run this for 30 hours straight on the lowest setting. Yes, you heard it right. 30 hours straight on the lowest setting. I was blown away on just a battery. So I really like how versatile this fan is. I like it's great for camping. It's good for cookouts. It's good for the job site. There's just so many options that having a cordless fan. And then if you have any problem areas in your house, you can easily just take this fan with you wherever you go. This fan's amazing. So thank you, Mellif, for sending us this fan to check out. And I guarantee if you get this fan, you're going to love it just as much as I do.